Let's learn and grow. M. M is for mango. Let's draw it. First, we will draw a diced mango piece. Next, we will make a whole mango behind it. We will also make a leaf. Now, let's color it. Let's make our mango red, yellow and green in color. Let's use white for lighter shade, brown in the stem, and light and dark green in the leaf. Now we will use bright yellow in a diced piece. Add a little orange for darker shades. This makes our mango look fresh, sweet, and perfectly ripe. Brown for the wooden surface. A bit of dark brown for shadows. Now just blend the colors. Our mangoes turned out really colorful. And look at the mango slice. It looks so sweet and juicy. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, check the links in the description. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.